Hello. In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Redmi 14R. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now click on Google account. Now click on data and privacy and here you have to scroll down and you have to click on delete your Google account. Now you have to use your lock screen pattern. And now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes and then click delete account. Now your account should be removed, so now let's open, for example, Google Play Store and click sign in. Now you have to use pattern again. Now you have to enter your email address. Then click next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so to recover it I have to click next. And now I have to enter my password. Now scroll down and click I agree. Then scroll down again and click accept. And as you can see, my parental control is bypassed and my account is recovered. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.